Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachland, and today I will be doing a video walkthrough on the 2018 Harris 250 Crowne Deluxe. See, it's accented by the blue underdeck lights. It does have a retractable folding top and is powered by a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado Pro to give you plenty of performance. Looking at the stern of the vessel, we'll see the underwater lights, as well as the electrically actuated boarding ladder, up and down, touch of a button, rear deck stereo controls, speakers in the back. So we'll hop on board and take a look. And you'll see we're greeted by a water sports tow post and twin rear-facing loungers. Again, convenient speakers and cup holders. Once again, we have a remote stereo control along with 12-volt and USB inputs. It's a very comfortable rear seating. Moving forward, we'll see two seats at the bar, which has plenty of storage underneath. And the exceptionally well laid out helm area. Very comfortable seat with flip-up bolster. Mercury Verado digital controls, and we also have a Polk system, marine grade speakers. Does have a sub, so phenomenal sounding stereo system, as well as a Simrad Go 5 for your chart plotter and depth. And one note, we did mention the retractable folding hardtop. It actually has see-through Lexan panels, so when it is in the down position, you know, if you do run into some inclement weather, you can retract that and give some passengers some shelter, and you can still see through that while making way. Do have a sink, and moving up forward, tons of spacious lounge seating. And again, note the beautiful blue accent lights. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call, come on down, see them in person, or we'll set up a demo. My name is Brian Bachland from MarineMax Clearwater, and I can be reached at 813-503-2649. Thank you. Hope to see you guys soon.